caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
So I would like to say thank you very much for over 400 people watching a video about Dominos. So we're here again, same place, you can see it over here, and sorry, there's my hand there. If I go like that, then you can see it there. They're preparing it at the moment, but we'll actually show you this time the pizza, which we didn't do last time, and perhaps we'll get more than 1,000 viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification button so you know when there's a new video, and I make lots of videos. Really hungry now. Catch up with you later. Say goodbye, Chuck.
Bye bye. See you later.
Bye. Okay, so the pizza has arrived. Pizza in the Siem Reap, they have something called Crazy Tuesday, which means buy one, get one free. And my wonderful assistant here will turn around the pizzas now. There we go, this is the Hawaiian pizza there. And here is the pepperoni pizza. You can see, really delicious. It's going to be so tasty. Here are the drinks here, yeah. And all of this, how much did it cost?
$9.
$11, but never mind. Yeah, this is $8.99 for these bits here. It's around about $2, whatever. So $11. Gonna eat now. Hey, thank you for subscribing, but do tell your friends, and they can see these wonderful pizzas that are in Dominos, Siem Reap, which is in Cambodia. Say goodbye.
So nice. Bye bye.
Bye.